Hey guys, Ghost here. Welcome back to Trading Basics. Um, we're gonna just dig right into Bitcoin, so let's get into the charts. Currently, we're still down in a downtrend on the macro. Uh, if you're charting this yourself, one thing you could do here is just throw a line along here. You see, this was acting as support. Now it's gonna flip resistance, so roughly 29,000, which coincides nicely with the 382 fib level here. So if we do continue to push up, this is going to be a key area to look at. But currently we're still just trading sideways. So let's go down and take a look at what's going on here. Uh, currently since my last analysis, we're still heading up to my potential target here at 23,000. We've come up to about 22.5. So we're almost there. Um, let's take a look here at how we might be moving in the form of a trend. Currently, if you take a look right now for some confluence areas, you're going to see the top of this parallel channel would come in at the 23,000, probably around June or July 11th. So it's possible we can come back, test this median line, and then make one more push up into this area. You see this middle line here, it's been acting as support, then it flipped resistance, then we broke through it for support. So I'm expecting still at least one more move up, and then we'll have to see how it reacts. Um, let's go back and take a quick look here at our other channel for our range. Um, right now, the good news is we did break this top. We did get some candle closes on the 4 hour above it. Bad news is the daily wasn't able to close above this previous high. Uh, it would be there'd be a little bit more confidence if we closed this candle above the high, but on the 4 hour, it's still showing on the charts that it's looking like we still want to continue higher. So again, I'm still expecting price to come up at least to the 23,000 area. If we come into the 4 hour RSI, um, what I'm going to be looking for here, especially to see if we're putting in a local top, would be some divergence on this move. So, if we move up into this area, when say the RSI comes up, makes a low, and then moves down, we got the RSI here is making a lower high as price would be making a higher high, and at this point, I'd probably start taking some profits on my Bitcoin long. So that's one thing we can keep an eye out for. If we bust up here and both price and RSI make a new high, uh, then the probabilities are we're going to continue higher. Now let's okay, we got our fib level here. Let's check our trend based fib. Here we're going to pull it for our extension. I'm sorry. Um, Now, if you look at this, for this move on a general corrective move, we'll hit the 1-to-1 ratio on our fib extension, which could mean this is just a correction upwards, which would be a three-wave move into a three-wave move into some sort of five-wave move for basically a ABC or a WXY pattern. So in this area right here, we still have a lot of confluence. Um, I do think that this is our first potential target, and then how we react from there is going to be a different story. So that's all I got for this short analysis right now. Still expecting some upward movement to about 23,000, and then we'll take a look at the technicals and see if we're going to continue higher or if we're going to start pulling back. But make sure you subscribe, come back. We'll see how this plays out, and we'll keep track of Bitcoin together. Thanks a lot, everyone.